Aloha friends! This is Tutu at Aloha Food Forest. Blackberries are growing. Look at this. All this beautiful springtime loveliness, greenness. It's been so nice to get rain and sun. So we're heading down to the medicine wheel. Here are the beautiful pecan trees. These were probably planted. This one was definitely not planted by a human. This one may or may not have been planted by a human. But these pecan trees pop up all over the place. So keep an eye out for them. Learn to identify them. Same with these African daisies. So let's take a look at the pecan. It has these beautiful tassels. These are the leaves. And so as we make our way to the medicine wheel, you can see that we have in this springtime more of a green carpet on the forest floor, which is quite fun. So we come to the medicine wheel. We send out the beautiful words, the beautiful energies of unity, peace, and aloha. I feel the new earth is coming together. It's here now. So let's get ready to celebrate.